Hi everyone, Leanne from Cake and Eat at 3. Just wanting to discuss with you our new bed. Now, when we bought the motorhome, we've owned our girl for, 9 years now, roughly. She had this mattress in it, which was a custom-made mattress from a company making mattresses in Queensland. It is so heavy. I cannot even begin to explain how heavy this is. And then now, 9 years later, we've gone, you know what, it's time to change mattresses. So we contacted Kamak. Luckily, they had one left in stock, and we managed to get the new mattress yesterday. Now, apart from weight, which is a massive gain, and something to really give consideration when you're purchasing a new rig, it's something you might be able to save some serious kilograms with. We don't have too much of a problem with weight, but hey, when you're on the road, your rig and weight is very important. So if you can save some, you save it. So on this one here, it was an exact match to the walls. So making it fit, or making the bed, which is always fun in a caravan, camper van or motorhome, was a nightmare. So on estimation, we're talking about a 50% saving here in weight alone. Gotta love the flies in Australia, hey? So not only will it be easier to make the bed, not only is it a massive weight saving, this guy will probably give us about, I reckon 5 mil clearance on either side, but most of the caravans, camper vans and motorhome beds should be roughly about the same. So guys, this one cost, its recommended retail was around $340 or $330, somewhere there. From Kamak. Now stocks are, because of COVID, they are reduced at the moment, so it's whatever's there because of the warehouse being closed, but we were lucky to get her. So we're really pleased with this purchase. We also put on it a eggshell mattress from Clark Rubber, so we weren't too worried about the fact that that one might have extra inner spring or that one might have extra padding, because we're going to whack that eggshell mattress on top, which we then put a mattress protector and then the usual bedding. So, okay, very excited to try the new bed. Great cost, I reckon, and that should give us another at least 5 to hopefully 9 years again. Thanks, guys.